DJI just released a sub 250 drone with LiDAR and 4K at 100 frames per second. And honestly, I think this might be the most interesting drone that DJI has made this year. And I've got it right here, so let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drone and Lens. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you've found us. Today, we're doing a first look at the brand new DJI Lito X1. And listen, this isn't a full review yet, as I've literally only just got my hands on this thing, but already there are a few things that have stopped me in my tracks and I need to talk about them. Okay, so straight away, this thing actually feels really premium. Like, it's small and light, but it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a toy, and it feels like DJI actually cared about every single millimeter that they've put into this. And here's the thing that matters for a lot of people watching this. It comes in under 249 grams. If you know, you know. And if you don't, that number basically means fewer restrictions, less registration headaches, and way more places you can fly it legally. And that's really a big deal. Right, okay, let's rip through some of the specs because some of these actually made me jaw drop. We have a 48 megapixel camera, a 1 inch over 1.3 inch sensor. We're talking 4K at 100 frames per second and 1080p at 200 frames per second for that slow motion. Now that is going to look absolutely awesome in that 10-bit color, and vertical shooting is built in. So yeah, I think DJI knew exactly who this drone was built for in mind. Here's the thing, here's the bit that actually got me. This drone has LiDAR. Now, in a drone this size, LiDAR, I really want you to think about that and what that means for a second. We're talking about obstacle avoidance that doesn't just react. It actually reads the environment ahead of time in something that could practically fit in your jacket pocket. Now, if this works in the way that I think it's going to work, well then we're in different territory here. This isn't just a spec bump, this is a genuine shift. Now, I haven't had loads of time in the air with this yet, but first impressions from flying it, well, stability. It's actually really stable, responsive, and honestly, it's easy, like surprisingly easy to control. And that's something that actually matters because this drone isn't just for experienced pilots. A beginner could pick this up and feel confident with it pretty quickly. But for creators who know what they're doing, they're gonna get some serious shots out of this. Here's what's happening next. A full review is coming and it's gonna be thorough. Here's exactly what I'm gonna put this through. We'll be looking at low light performance because this sensor really needs to prove itself. The LiDAR obstacle avoidance, we're gonna put it under a full stress test, tracking how well it does actually following a subject. Battery life, real world, not just spec sheet numbers, and with real content creation, because this is what this drone is actually built for. So if you're thinking about buying the DJI Lito X1 right now, just hold on. I mean, not too long, because a full review is coming and we're going to put this thing through absolutely everything before I tell you whether it's worth your money. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So if you haven't already subscribed, well then hit that like button and smash subscribe. And also drop a comment below and tell me what you want me to test first. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been absolutely colourful and I hope to connect with you all in the next video.